Our fourth grade homeschool year has come and gone. What were some of our favorites this year? Hi, my name's Jennifer. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. I'm thankful that you are here. On my channel, we talk about all things homeschool. And right now, I just want to take a few minutes and talk about some of what were the favorite things that we had in our homeschool space, in our homeschool area. The actual things that we utilized the most during homeschool this year. Just to give you some ideas, obviously every homeschool is different. So just because I loved these things does not necessarily mean they will work for you. So please just use these as ideas and see if it's something that you think will work for you. But number one is the whiteboard. Oh my. This whiteboard was amazing. It was one of the, we bought it when we first started homeschooling, and it has stood the test of time. I love this whiteboard. We use it for my daughter to explain things back to me, to take the time to teach them back to me so that I can make sure that she has truly understood the concepts. We use it for math, we use it for science, we use it for English, we use it for writing. We use this whiteboard for so many things, and I am so thankful for it. I cannot even imagine having homeschool without this whiteboard. It is absolutely one of my top favorites. My second favorite is the planner. So this is the one for last year. I liked it so well. We ordered the same one for this year. This is an extremely simple planner, and you can see just have your date here, the subjects across the top, and you have room for 6 different subjects. And then we just use it where once we finish something, I highlight that it's done. Or we move it on to the next day. But I really like the simplicity of this planner, and I like the flexibility of the planner. So number 2 for us was the daily planner. This has helped so much. I'll include down below the link on Amazon as to where I got it. It is less than $10. So it's definitely well worth the money for our homeschool. I have enjoyed it, and it has kept us better organized, which I'm all about being better organized. So that is great. Number 3 is the couch. I love our couch. Our couch has served us so well in homeschool. We get to snuggle up and do our read alouds on the couch. We do work on the couch. We watch movies, watch YouTube videos on the couch. It is just so nice to have this great space and super comfortable where we can just, do school, where we can do the reading and have so much fun. So number 3 is our couch. Number 4 is music, and it may not be exactly the type of music that you're thinking of, but we have loved music this school year. We've loved Mr. Betts and his history parodies. We've loved learning multiplication tables through flashcards and song. We've loved Song School Spanish. We've loved music for dance parties. We have just thoroughly enjoyed music this year. It has helped so much in the learning process. It's helped in the stress relieving process. It has helped across the board. So music is our number 4 favorite for this year. And finally, our number 5 favorite from this year is the hot glue gun. We have used this hot glue gun for the crafts that we did. We have used it for the dioramas that we've done. We have used it for multiple projects, and it has been amazing. So we are so thankful for the hot glue gun. It has helped us out on numerous occasions. Again, these are 5 things that we have just really enjoyed, and it's been what I would consider to be our favorites from this past school year. It is by no means an exhaustive list, so please let me know down in the comments below, what are your favorites that you used this past school year? Maybe you'll become my favorite for next year. But this is just to give you some ideas of things that you may want to incorporate into your homeschool as well. And just let you know that we can homeschool without huge bells and whistles. Sometimes really all you need is a good book and a couch, and it is an amazing homeschool day. So I hope that you are having a great summer. I look forward to talking to you. I'm enjoying getting to know you through YouTube. So if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so. I really appreciate it. I hope that you have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.